Hello everyone, here again your midwife Donna, and I will be sharing to you things to prepare for cleaning and washing for baby stinks. As a parent, we should be prepared for what is needed to maintain cleanliness of our baby stinks, so that they can avoid possible illnesses if not applicable to their health. What should things to prepare? Number 1, dishwashing and bottle wash. Using natural baby bottle wash made with natural ingredients like sea salt and baking soda to make fragrance free, or made with apple and aloe vera scent without using harsh chemical. It will help to wash, stain, milk residue, food residue, sa mga utensils and bottle feeding of our little one, and to wash away the foul smell or foul odors sa kanilang mga bottle feeding, to protect their sensitive and delicate tummies. Number 2, bottle brush. To brush out the milk residue and stain sa mga bottle feeding ng ating mga little one. Mas mainam na gamitin ang mga hand-scratch silicone brush para hindi magasgas or hindi ma-damage ang mga bottle feeding ng ating mga little one. Number 3, mild laundry powder or liquid detergent. Use a mild, gentle formula detergent made with natural ingredients, as well as paraben-free, no harsh chemical, and earth-friendly for washing clothes ng ating mga little one, or maiwasan ang pagkakaroon ng skin rashes or allergies. Number 4, fabric softener. Use a mild, gentle formula of fabric softener na nakakatulong na to make fluffy and soft ang mga damit ng inyong little one, at para maiwasan din ang pagkakaroon ng skin allergies or skin rashes. Number 5, bleach-free stain remover. Using stain remover na nakakatulong na to wash away mga top stain na dumitikit or nakadikit sa mga damit ng inyong mga little one. Kindly check if it's bleach-free, no harsh chemical, as well as paraben-free, made with natural ingredients to not damage the hands of our mommies and skin of our little one. Number 6, liquid cleaner. Use a liquid cleaner to wipe out the dirt, germs, and bacteria to your baby's toy, table, chair, floor, and surroundings of your little one. Kindly check if ito ba ay made from natural ingredients, no harsh chemical, as well as paraben-free, and earth-friendly. Number 7, baby wipes. Use a dry or wet wipes to wipe out yung face, neck, body, and to easily to wipe out the dirt sa mga gamit ng inyong mga little one. Make sure lang na ito ay made from natural ingredients, no harsh chemical.